Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to the ultimate camping companion, the camping wagon. If you are like me and love spending time outdoors, this little gem is a game changer. Imagine this, you arrive at the campsite and instead of lugging all your gear back and forth, you just load it all into this handed wagon. It's super easy to pull, and the best part, it fills up neatly when you're done. So it doesn't take up much space in your car or at home. Whether you're hauling tents, coolers, or even the kids' gears, this camping wagon makes everything so much easier. Plus, with its sturdy wheels, you can take it over all kinds of terrain, from grassy fields to sandy beaches. So, if you want to make your camping trips more enjoyable and hassle-free, definitely check out a camping wagon. Trust me, you won't regret.